Imagine working just 2 hours a day and still building a thriving business. It's all start with the right mindset, a growth mindset. This isn't about slaving away for hours. It's about making time the time you do spend work for you. When you've got a growth mindset, you are always finding ways to improve, adapt, and grow. And with 100% profit coming your way, every little tweak and improvement makes a big difference in your bank account. Working from home gives you the freedom to structure your day around what works for you. And you are not locked into someone else's schedule. You are creating success on your own terms. Think about how your unique skills and experience can drive your success. With just 2 focused hours a day, you can make a real impact. Ready to see what's possible? Type ready in the comments and I will share with you exactly how you can start building your own successful business with just 2 hours a day.